Outside the window, rain is falling. It does not insist, nor does it fade away weakly. It continues to strike the roof and the ground at a steady rhythm. Its sound feels like a measure of how deep the night has become. The light in the study is kept to the bare minimum. The spines of the books along the wall appear more as shadows than colors, their titles nearly unreadable. There was no intention to read, and that was enough. On the desk, a single book lies open, not so much abandoned midway, but left there naturally, as if the hands had simply let go. Tonight, the desire to know how the story continues cannot be found anywhere. The sound of rain blurs the sense of time. There is no reason to check how many minutes have passed or how many hours. With the same sound continuing, the night feels complete as it is. Sinking deeply into the chair, the weight of the body arrives a moment later. That delay feels pleasant, and the tension in the back and shoulders loosens one piece at a time. There is no need to hold a proper posture. No one is watching now. In the outside world, someone is surely still moving. Some hurry through the rain. Others wait at traffic lights in their cars. But in this study, those signs barely arrive. The rain wraps everything gently and carries it far away, placing fingertips on the edge of the desk. A cool sensation travels upward. That coolness is not meant to pull awareness back, only to quietly say, "This is here." Looking down at the page, the words do not enter the mind, and that is fine. Understanding and remembering are not tonight's roles. The rain may sound as if it is washing something away, but in truth, it takes nothing. It simply loosens, little by little, the sounds and thoughts that had been piling up. In this study, the reasons to hurry disappear. Unfinished tasks and things that must be considered are all placed one step farther away, close enough to reach, yet distant enough to leave untouched. A hand rests on the book's cover, not to read, but to close it. The sound of pages coming together is very small, quickly dissolving into the rain. That sound alone is enough for tonight. The closed book says nothing, yet there are nights when silence itself brings the deepest reassurance. Even if words stop, even if time stops, Nothing goes wrong. Outside the window, the rain continues to fall. Its strength and speed hardly change. That steadiness begins to align with the rhythm of breathing. Inhale, exhale. With that alone, the body remembers what it is meant to do. As the eyelids grow heavy, there is no intention to sleep. They simply no longer need to stay open. When the eyes close, the rain sounds closer, and the outline of the study quietly dissolves. If a thought appears, it is not chased. If none appear, nothing is searched for. The feeling that either is fine slowly spreads. The pages are closed, and the night is settled. In the rainy study, awareness gently leaves its seat, carrying nothing, and moves toward a deeper, quieter stillness.